Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video was completely unplanned. We're going to do a little bit of magnet fishing. We'll say magnet fishing with a purpose, because we were working on this dock down here at Lake Kedron, and somehow my hammer ended up falling in the water. So we're going to take this magnet that I just got from Harbor Freight, tie a rope to it, and see if we can't retrieve the hammer. And while we're at it, we might find some other cool stuff. You never know. Hey, here we go. Going in.
I don't know if that's it. I'm gonna come slowly if it stay on there.
See what we got.
And they say I can't fish.
It ain't a bluegill. Let me catch. Oh my gosh, it's it.
What did I catch?
You got it.
What did I catch?
You got it. Hold on, hold on. Don't move. Got it. So, this thing did okay to get this hammer, but it's just barely strong enough. And I don't recommend it if you're going to do magnet fishing. We drug it around for a few more minutes and we found a couple of hooks. That was it. So we're going to step it up to a bigger magnet. So we have upgraded to this 250 pull. This was from Harbor Freight. Cost like $24. Okay, he's got something. He's got something big. Oh gosh. We hit the jackpot. There's a bobber in the So far all we've found is this artificial something. Bobber and a bag chair. So that chair really did come in handy.
Oh, it fell off.
Oh no.
Yep.
It is another chair, isn't it? Oh, I bet it was tangled up in that cross bracelet. That's an old chair there.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, I don't think that one's a keeper. Okay, we found something kind of interesting. It looks like a bait caster.
Ugly stick.
An ugly stick. Yeah, it still has
It's a worm hook too, which isn't all rusty.
Worm hook with a weight on the end. It's been in there for, I'm going to say, probably 6 months. I don't know. It still winds. We'll see if it works.
It's an ugly stick. Lou, L-E-W.
LEW. All right, see if it'll cast. Oh, that's pretty impressive. That thing's been in the water a long time. So we did find that really cool fishing pole, and it does work. So, I don't know. It was worth it. I guess it paid for itself. Okay, that's all I got for you this time. Appreciate you watching. All in all, we were pretty successful. We managed to get my hammer back. We found a couple of chairs. One of them was trash. A whole bunch of hooks, but not much else. But all in all, it was a pretty good experience. We managed to clean some trash out of the lake. So anyhow, till next time, take care, God bless, and I'll see you later.